So the first step is to fix the board to the body. Let's find the best position for it, and then we can fix it with glue or with tape. So I will put it in this case here. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue. The bigger lights, slightly yellow, these are the front ones, and the smaller white, they are the rear ones. So I found the correct position for the front lights. So now I'm going to secure it with some glue. So the first light is in position, the cable is okay. Basically what I did is being sure that all the cable is very stable, is fixed to the body, and it's not touching with the mechanical parts like tires, motors. So just be careful, put the cable on the body, just try to let it follow all the shapes of the body. As you can see, everything is moving very smooth, very clear. It's not giving any issues. So maybe you can see here the cable, it's in a very good position. If this cable was more wide, it could have been tricky with the tires. So just be careful about it. Then you can repeat the same with all the lights. Just be sure that you can avoid something like this. So this cable that is moving so much is absolutely not good. So we have to fix it following the shape of the body and using the glue. In this case, I have two big holes around the front lights, so I'm going to put something to make it a little bit more powerful, to reinforce this area. So I will use some Play-Doh. So I put some small pieces. And we will do the same with rear. If you need, you can even remove the original lights and put the real lights instead of them, or you can drill with you can make an hole with drilling this surface and putting the lights. Depends on the car that you have. But here what we will do is probably removing this and putting the real ones. So again, we try to find the best position first of all, and then we fix it. I think in this case we have to put it more or less like this. So yeah, this is the position that I will keep, and now I am going to put the cable in the best way that I can. So we finished plugging, fixing all the cable to the body. As you can see, everything is in position, that there's nothing going all around the body area. And now we can check with the mechanical if everything is okay, wheels, bodies, everything. As you can see, everything can move without any problems. We could add other 4 extra lights. I don't need it, so I will not do it, but we can buy an extra kit of lights that we could connect here. Just in case you break some light, you can remove this connector and put a new one. You don't need to buy another light kit, just change this cables with lights and put a new one. What we are going to do now is connecting the light kit to the motor of the car. So what we have to do is connect this plug. Again, we find the correct position of the switch. In this case, for me, it works well like this. So I added some glue before putting it in position and after. So now it should be secured. Just in case you have to remove the body from the mechanic, you have space to do it. But if you want to completely remove it, it's easy, because you just have to unplug this connector. Now what we have to do is just plugging these two cables that will bring the energy to the board. So we will plug it on the motor, or we can also plug it cutting those two cables or in the front of the guide, as you want. I just removed the wires from the guide to the motor, so now I can easily fit the cable of the light kit. Okay, so now everything is connected. Just put all the cables together and we will be ready. I will put some Play-Doh over here and secure it, so it means no cable is interfering. And you can activate the switch inside here with a small tool. We did the same process on this C8 Corvette. So we will see now the feature of the light kit. When the power is on, there's an extreme light on both front and rear. So as you can see, it's very powerful. When the power is going off, like you go out of a corner, the light kit will start blinking. Another feature of this light kit is the brake simulation. When power is on, the rear lights are turned on, but when you are braking like this, as you can see, it's going to be more powerful, like it happens in the real cars.